Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use tags and customize your projects in Asana's free plan. First, create and add a tag. Open any task. In the task details, find the tags field. Click it and type a new tag name like urgent. Press enter to create it. Add multiple tags to one task. To filter by a tag, go to your project view. Click the filter icon at the top. Select tags from the drop-down. Choose your tag, like urgent. Your list now shows only tasks with that tag. Now, customize your project. Click the project name at the top. Select project settings, pick a new color and an icon from the menu. Click Save to customize your task view, show or hide columns. In List View, click the three dots next to List. Select a column. Choose a field like To Date or Tags. Drag columns to reorder them. Finally, see all tasks with a tag. Use the search bar at the top of Asana. Type your tag with a hashtag, like #urgent, and press enter, and that's it. You've created tags, filtered with them, customized your project's look, and searched tags globally. If this helped you organize, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.